How's it going? And welcome back to my channel. We're out here for another night ride. I hope you enjoyed the other video of the other night ride with the ZX6 and the flames and all that crazy stuff. Today we're out here solo. It's been raining an absolute insane amount, and this is honestly the first time I've gone to get on the bike in a very, very long time. It's been like 2 weeks. I just got off work though, and been grinding, and I'm gonna get out here and clear my head. Just enjoy the views, or whatever views there may be. But it's been a great day today. Finally, no more rain. For those of you who live on the East Coast with me, you know we've been suffering out here. Absolutely rain after rain after rain after rain after rain. It's been brutal, but now we're blessed up. We're blessed up with some dryness. It's so nice to be out here on this. I finally got my license too, so no more permit. Woo! I'm hoping that the mic gain is good too. I don't know if I adjusted it when I filmed my last video. I was just at a car show, but the mic wasn't connected, so it doesn't change the gain at all. Excuse me. Just had some of my mom's stew, fresh made bread. Absolutely so good. And we might be having, we might have some other bikes coming on here that are not sport bikes soon. I'm talking cruisers, baby. I'm talking cruisers. Ooh, yeah, gotta slow down a little bit. This road's a little sketchy. Forgot it gets bumpy out here. Damn it, I can't see shit! Yeah, I was trying to think of like a topic that I could discuss, but one thing that's on my mind and been on my mind today is, you guys ever like, I mean, I'm sure you guys do, but when you like see old friends around, it's always just such a bittersweet. It's a bittersweet feeling. I hope all my other old friends are doing well, doing good for themselves, out there grinding, getting what's theirs. If any of you are watching, I miss you guys. I'm out here grinding, and I hope you are too. Getting that bread that's deserved, baby. But, and we lit it! We out here! Sometimes I feel like we get lost in the grind, and we forget what it's really all for. And it's really for family. But it's also for friends, and you lose a lot along the way, but it's all about who you become. Isn't that right? Life, huh? That's pretty much what's just eating at me today. It's just life. Getting older and stuff, we're all adults now. In my brain, I still feel like I'm 12. Maybe not 12, that's a little bit crazy. 12 is a little bit crazy, but sorry, dude. Okay, I don't feel 12, but I do feel like 18 maybe. Some days I be feeling like hecka old, and then other days I be feeling bad. I'll leave you guys in the comments to figure out how old I am. I've been on camera quite a few times, so I'm sure you guys can figure that out. But I'm hoping y'all are loving this new mic. The new video just dropped today of the ZX6 with the flames and stuff, and that was a fun one to film. We out here. I don't even need these fucking mirrors because, well, you know what? I'll keep them out. I was gonna fold them in, but I'll keep these mirrors out, man. I'm gonna keep these mirrors out. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna float on into here, but there's lots of dirt and gravel, so we're gonna be careful to not drop this ball, not drop this down. Oh, we're off-roading. We're off-roading for real. Don't turn the signal off. Alright, so we're gonna just post up here, and I'm gonna try to figure out where the frick we is, and then I'll get back to it and we'll keep recording. BRB, baby. That was cringe. I'll be right back. I'm gonna try to figure out where we are. All right. This is a little spooky though, I won't lie. Did I just melt my pants on my exhaust again? I think I did. GG's for me. You know what? I don't think I'm gonna chill here. This is sketching me out, making me feel shushy. Let's get out of here. Whoa, what? Woohoo! My sharp right turns are lacking, so that was a little bad. Here we are! I freaking made it, man. We'll let these cars pass. I found it. I knew I would find it. Now, I've never ridden out here before. And it's definitely going to be a lot more traffic, a lot more cars. We're going to have to U-turn this at some point. Dude, is this whole road done? We made it to the fucking city, bro! On accident. Huge scenery switch up from the woods. I want to go back to the back roads. How do I get back to the back roads, man? Yeah! Dude, that is sick. Alright, so now I'm thinking, like, what if I hit the highway for the first time ever right now? I'm kind of feeling it. The good entrance ramp to get onto the highway that's close to me is right over here, too. I'm kind of feeling it, low-key. Alright, well, let's take the fast way home. Let's do it. It's not much different than the back roads that I've been hitting, except there's cars going very fast. Will the Yamaha R3 do good on the highway? Dude, get out, Will! Insane! First time ever on the highway. We did it. We got it on clip. That was awesome. Don't mind the way that I got off the highway. We're not gonna pay attention to that at all. I hit the brakes pretty quick. We stopped on a fucking dime. That was fucking amazing. That was awesome. Yeah. That was me. That was me and my bike. Oh shit, we stalled. Out of all the places to stall, we stalled right here. Alright guys, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'm gonna conclude it here. Finally did some ripping. Finally hit the highway for the first time. Absolutely awesome. And look at her in all her beauty. Chilling right there. A little bit of a rain, a little bit of a vlog, a little bit of a night ride. Today was awesome, and I'm glad I got to take you with me. If you have any suggestions for another video, please let me know down in the comments. And if you like the color correction as well, please let me know down in the comments. You know, any feedback you guys got, let me know down in the comments. And I will catch you in the next video, and I hope you have a good night. Peace.